Let's have a taste. Okay, everyone, welcome back, and we're gonna put some curry goat here. Clean out the fat. And now again, lime here. Short wash. Curry powder here, all purpose. Bit of meat seasoning, some mutton seasoning. So we're gonna just stir it, let it rest for a while, and then we can do our cooking. We're going to fry our goat. Brown down or cook down over. That's nice brown. This is it. Nice and brown up. We're gonna just add some water to it now. Cover it. Let it slow cook. Right, this is our seasoning: onion, garlic, scotch bonnet, bell pepper, some thyme, and spring onion. And we're gonna clean up this and cut it up, and then we can add it to our meat. Let's check out the curry goat. You see the curry goat is looking good. Before we forget the carrots. Now we're gonna cut up our seasoning. So carrot, bell pepper, spring onion, onion, leave our pepper all or scotch bonnet pepper all. Don't want to burst it. Garlic. This is our seasoning. Let's check out our curry goat. Curry goat looking good. Yeah, curry goat looking good. Soft. You can see it's very soft here. We're gonna add our seasoning. Just gonna just throw the seasoning on top of it like that. Then we have our pepper. We'll just stick it in the middle. Let it cook down. The seasoning cooking it. With our rice. Just wash it properly. A little water. That should do it. Get some salt. Will do. And just stir it. Put a cover on it. Let's check out our curry goat. Wow. Curry goat looking good. Let's stir it a little bit. Like that. We don't want this pepper to burst, so we try and avoid it from bursting. Just need. Yeah, so let's check out our rice. Our rice finished, and our goat is finished as well. So we're going to share some of the rice. And this is some of our lettuce what we harvest from the back garden. Here is it. Curry goat with white rice and lettuce from the back garden. Let's have a taste. Please like, share, and subscribe.